Pizza Inn, established in 1956, once flourished with over 500 locations. However, by the 1990s, it experienced significant closures, primarily due to the intense competition from larger chains. This decline serves as a clear example of how dominant brands can challenge local favorites. Similarly, Shakey's Pizza gained popularity in the 1970s for its vibrant atmosphere and musical entertainment. Unfortunately, management changes led to a significant decline in its locations and diminished brand identity, marking a notable shift in its trajectory. In an interesting twist, Pizza and Pipes created a unique dining experience with live organ music, appealing to families looking for entertainment. Nonetheless, evolving consumer preferences and economic challenges resulted in the closure of numerous locations by the early 1990s. Emerging in 1961, Ken's Pizza became a beloved staple of the Midwest, celebrated for its distinctive appetizers and Italian-American cuisine. Its success allowed for a substantial expansion, reaching a peak number of locations that highlighted its popularity. Founded by Greg Johnson in 1976, Minsky's Pizza quickly garnered a devoted following in Kansas City for its inviting atmosphere and signature pizzas. The establishment earned recognition for culinary excellence, notably making it onto Zagat's esteemed list. Buddy's Pizza, originating in Detroit over 40 years ago, is famous for its square-shaped deep dish style. This unique offering has solidified its status as a cherished part of Detroit's culinary identity. As of 2022, Buddy's Pizza has expanded to 23 locations, underscoring its continued popularity and commitment to quality. This growth reflects a deep-rooted appreciation for traditional pizza in Michigan. Founded in 1958, Pizza King has built a reputation based on fresh ingredients and a cozy atmosphere. Over the years, it has become a nostalgic destination for many in Indiana, reflecting its enduring appeal. The story of Sambo's illustrates the rise and fall of a restaurant chain amid evolving tastes and competition. At its height, Sambo's boasted over 1,000 locations across the United States. Sir Pizza's innovative approach and dedication to quality allowed it to expand beyond Lafayette. This strategy has captured the hearts of pizza aficionados across various locations, fostering a strong sense of nostalgia among older generations. Founded in 1961, Papagino's emerged as a cherished family destination known for its thin-crust pizza and hearty pasta offerings. Despite various challenges, it maintains a warm place in the hearts of those who grew up enjoying its dishes. Established in 1971, Plaza Pizza set itself apart with distinctive flavors and a welcoming environment, successfully navigating competition from national chains. It continues to be a beloved fixture in New York's culinary landscape. The Chalet Special Pizza is recognized for its unique blend of ingredients, highlighting how signature dishes can forge a restaurant's identity. This distinctiveness often encourages customer loyalty and repeat visits. Despite the proliferation of many pizza chains, Pizza Chalet's emphasis on a family-friendly atmosphere has helped it retain a dedicated customer base. Such a focus on community can greatly enhance customer loyalty. Tony's Pizza Palace remains relevant through its commitment to high-quality food and exceptional service. This dedication illustrates how enduring establishments can thrive by remaining true to their foundational principles, as evidenced by accolades like the Top Choice Award. Founded in 1959, Straw Hat Pizza gained recognition for its distinctive crust and premium ingredients, boasting over 150 locations by the 1980s. However, shifting consumer tastes contributed to its decline. Established in 1958, Pizza Haven flourished in the Pacific Northwest with a diverse menu and laid-back atmosphere. Unfortunately, it faced increasing competition in the 1990s, ultimately leading to its closure by 1999. Pizza Patron, founded in 1986, rapidly expanded to over 100 locations by offering Latin-inspired pizzas. A substantial relaunch in 2018 successfully attracted younger customers, helping to sustain its popularity.